friends! Let's work on a packaging design project today. So I recently did Social, which is a non-alcoholic beverage brand, all about still having fun, still enjoying a good time, but just without the consequences. So I thought, what if this brand had a custom shot glass with maybe the first purchase that somebody has for one of their mixes? And so I have here mocked up a little box that would hold the shot glass. And so our next step is to jump into Illustrator and put the design together for Social. Okay, so we are putting together all those final elements for the box. You know, what it's about, the website, the logo, and then I'm adding in to the back of that page for that print or that section of the box. I created a custom gradient, and so you're seeing me have that on the back there. So when we print, like you see right here, you'll see that it has the main part of the box, and on the back is that gradient, and that allows us to have a cool design on the inside of the box as well once it's been printed. So you'll need a ruler, adhesive tape, and X-Acto knife to put it all together. You can see here I'm showing you how we have that gradient on the back. And in order for all of that, make sure you have really good sharp X-Acto knife in order for you to be able to have those good cut clean lines for any type of packaging design that you have or that you're working on. Now, putting it together, we're going to be folding it. And so you see here you'll need a bone folder. Take your ruler, and with that ruler you're going to be able to kind of create those indentions for the paper to fold. And you see me here doing that one or two times, or a few times, in order for me to be able to fold it properly. Then you take your adhesive tape and you can glue together those parts of the box so that you can put it all together. You see me here folding it, just making sure that I have all those folds correctly in order for it to all come together and be folded together. So finally, I take that adhesive tape and just put it all together, make sure it's all glued where it needs to be in order for it to function as a box. And so I hope you guys enjoyed. You can see the gradient in there. And then kind of taking you through that little bit of the final view of the box.